Good morning, everyone. So I am here. I just was prepping a few things and thought, hey, why not go live and show you one of our newest products. This is our everything to help you do easy prepping. So this is our 3-in-1 grater. It all comes stacked so you can actually save room in those cabinets of yours with it all together. Pull it out. It has a 6-cup capacity bowl that it comes with. I like it because it has a little rubber on the bottom of it, so that way it's going to stay in place. Then you have one of the graters inside, and then the other two can be housed behind it, which is really cool too. All right, very cool. So then, as you can see, the handle's right here. The handle comes off nice and easy. You can rotate it backwards, and then your grater comes right off, and you can switch it out. And then to put it back on, you just take the handle and you rotate it, and it goes right back on. So this piece here is called the food pusher, because you're going to push it down into the chute, okay, into the hopper. The other great thing about it is, if you see here, there's a level, and what happens is when you push that down, it's going to suction to whatever you have it on, and it suctions pretty good actually. So let me just move the camera down just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to push that suction cup down, and look, it's on there. It's not going to move, okay? So I'm going to focus you on this and not me. So let's push it down. All right, so the first one, let me just see which one I have. So it comes with the 3 blades. So the one that's in here right now is the, well, let's just see. This one here. So this is the coarse grater, and the coarse grater is suitable for hard and soft cheeses, carrots, potatoes, and zucchini. The next one is the fine grater, and that one's good for hard cheeses, garlic, chocolate, and nuts. And then this one here's your slicing blade. So your slicing blade is good for potatoes, cucumbers, onions, radishes, and cabbages. So I already tried the slicing blade. So all you have to do is take your blade, you put it right in here, you take your handle, and you just pop it on there. So got my potato, I washed it off. I'm going to open up the food pusher, pop it in, push this down. And as you can see, it made really thin slices. We can take our thing here and scoop them all out into the bowl. And go backwards. Let's pull that off. And check this out. Talk about no waste. Don't even have to peel it. Okay? So that's the slicing blade, which is good. But say you wanted to make hash browns in the morning. Do you guys like hash browns? Let's see. I'm going to try the regular coarse grater for the hash brown potatoes. Again, I'm going to put it in, turn it. Let's see how our hash browns are going to come out. Look at those. Homemade hash browns. This is great because it's so easy cleanup. It rinses right off, or it's dishwasher safe. See, here it is right here. The one piece you don't need. Okay, so that's the coarse grater. Then the fine grater, I'm going to put a different thing under here. You have your hard cheese. So you can use it for the coarse grater, you know, for your pizzas and things like that, or you can put it on the fine grater. So I am going to try the fine grater first, which is this one here, and see how that works. I have not tried this before. Okay, so here's some cheese. Oh, look at that shredded cheese. Wow. And then you're going to take the hopper, the food pusher to push it down. Look at that cheese. Do you know it's better to get your own block of cheese, whatever you're going to get, and shred it yourself, because there's no extra preservatives or anything like that. It's fresh. It's better for you. It's healthier. And look at that. Think about shredding your chocolate. Oh, the chocolate would be divine too. There we go with the cheese. There's still some cheese in there, but I think I'm going to save that because that's quite a bit of cheese. Love cheese. So there's the shredded cheese. Then let's do some carrots. So you can use the fine one, or we can actually do carrot chips. Let me see. How did I put this on? See, I'm still learning too. And that's okay, because that's what we do. That's so funny. It's clipped in there. Turn it backwards. All right, so we've got our carrot, and I want some carrot slices. You know, it's time for grilling. You want some carrot in there, or you can shred it up really tiny, and you can use it for hiding it in your sauces. So this is going to make great little chips. Do it the long way. Use the pusher. So look at these. So I had it straight down first, right? And then I put it to the side, and it created the little chips. So zucchini chips, or anything like that, healthier to eat. Just get it all out of there. And again, this is so easy to clean. It can go in the dishwasher, or it can go right in the dishwasher, or just rinse it. You have your cucumbers. Let's do some sliced cucumbers. Oh, you know what? I have the fine grater. I don't want the fine grater on my cucumbers. I want the coarse grater. Here I go again, trying to remember which way it goes. On and off. There we go. I have to hold the blade to make it come loose. All right, so here's my cucumber again. Nope. All right, I'm shredding. It's so much fun to learn. It's all about learning and playing with your tools in the kitchen. This is the one I wanted, I think. And then always try to use your food pusher, because you don't want to cut your fingers. So again, great for potato chips, thin potato chips. Ooh, scallop potatoes, homemade scallop potatoes. We can do our onions. We can do another carrot. So here is the fine, yummy, yummy cheese. And then this one here is the slicer. And then we have the regular grater one, which is these ones here for your hash browns. So there you go. Easy prep time in the kitchen with our 3-in-1 rotary grater. Comes with, like I said, the 6-cup bowl. This is the food chute. It has a suction cup to suction it right on there. As you can tell, it's not moving. You got your food pusher, the hopper, and then it comes with the coarse grater, the fine grater, and the one that's in here is the slicing blade. So everybody have a good day. I just wanted to let you know about one of the newer products we have out, because I was playing with it. Have a great day.